What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to mute sounds on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to set your phone to mute all sounds on your S25 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for sounds and vibration, and then from there what you want to do is hit sounds and vibration. From there, from the top menu, you want to select mute, and then this will mute all sounds on your phone. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to mute sounds on your Samsung Galaxy S25 device. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe,